LG rolled out a lot of OLEDs this CES, but none quite like this one, because this one literally rolls. This is the LG OLED R, or what I like to call LG rolled. This isn't the first time we've seen this TV, but it was definitely something we needed to talk about again this year because it's finally on sale and it's meant for a very specific market. This may not be in everyone's budget. This is a little bit expensive. It is $100,000. Yeah, you could buy 2 Tesla Model 3s for that. It is definitely a statement piece, very sleek, and I can see there being a market for this. Personally, I don't know how practical it is for someone like me. When it comes to the device itself, I think that if I wanted something like this that hides the TV, it's because I'd want to put this in the middle of a big room. That way, if we're not watching the TV, we can talk to the people that are on the couch, and then when we are watching TV, have it slide up. I wouldn't necessarily put this along the wall because then the wall would look kind of barren when it's closed. And when the TV goes down, you can't really use it as a shelf. When the TV comes out, it's going to be covered and it could even fall over because of the TV coming out. Back here, you can see the tracking along the entire back. That is what helps it roll out. It is very sleek looking. It's unlike any TV that I've ever seen before. I gotta say, as part of the LG BTQ community, I'm very excited to see the future of a device like this. If you guys want to get a roll call of all of the OLEDs announced this year, be sure to check out David Katzmeyer's video. I've got a video on the 42-inch OLED, and if you want to learn more, check out those links down in the description. I'm Justin for CNET, and I'll tech you later.